I was sorting through my PR mailers earlier and really wanted to try some of these things that I received in the mail. So we actually have a new concealer from Huda Beauty that's launching soon. I want to try that. Summer Fridays launched a mineral sunscreen that looks to die for, so I grabbed that as well. We've got Bobbi Brown eyeshadow sticks, which are reformulated to be longer lasting than they were previously. And I still have not yet tried the new Benefit blushes. They sent me this whole set of all the new shades, and there are so many gorgeous colors. So we're gonna be diving into all this. I also have some products from Keys. They started to branch into color cosmetics. They started out with skincare, and now they have like a tinted lip balm situation, and then I think tinted cheek products as well. So I might just try the tinted lip balm, just depending on how much blush I play with the Benefit ones. But I'm ready. I'm ready to try some new things. So we're gonna start off with prepping the skin with my Summer Fridays sunscreen. So this is the new Shade Drop sunscreen. Look how pretty this PR package is. I love it. So this is a broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral milk sunscreen. I'm so excited about this. I love mineral sunscreens. For me, like, I just prefer mineral sunscreens, period. I have acne prone skin, and I find that mineral sunscreens don't break me out, and they're just overall better for you. So you guys know I'm picky with my sunscreens, but this has been getting like raving reviews already, so I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a shake. I love the packaging. It's such a pretty like muted yellow. It has zinc oxide, that's the mineral sunscreen, an antioxidant complex, and squalene. So it's got like a skincare base to it as well. It's got soothing chamomile. Okay, I'm gonna put some drops on my hands. If it will focus. Hello? It's not focusing. Okay. It's a really pretty color. So it's not tinted necessarily, but it's also not like a bright white like a lot of sunscreens are. Oh my gosh. It's a very thin formula. I just barely did my skincare, but I hadn't applied sunscreen yet. Ooh, it's very lightweight. I like to take my sunscreen around the eye area. Oh my goodness, it's blending in beautifully. And then it's like drying down, or I should say it's like sinking into the skin. I can feel it really sinking in. It has a very watery base to it. So it almost feels like an essence or something that I'm putting on my skin. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. People are obsessed with it. Like, I've been seeing so many people already loving this, so I was dying to put it on my face. It didn't leave a white cast on me. It doesn't have a fragrance to it, but it smells nice. Like, it smells herbal, but in a very light way. It's not a strong scent whatsoever. I'm so excited about this. I'm really, I don't know. I kind of geek out over sunscreens, which is like maybe not everyone's cup of tea, but I am obsessed with trying mineral sunscreens. So it says that this may take 45 to 60 seconds to sink into the skin, so that you're supposed to wait for 60 seconds. Oh wait, they say to wait 60 seconds for your skincare to absorb before applying the SPF, and then waiting another 60 seconds for the sunscreen to absorb. Apparently you can tap this on top of makeup? What? Whoa, that's crazy. I might have to try that another time. Well, if you can't tell, I really am excited about this already. So we're gonna use that as my primer. I'm gonna go with the foundation that I know works really well for me and wears really well, and that's the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. My pump has been kind of broken on mine. Is anyone else experiencing this? It's not really working very well anymore, but it doesn't stop me from using it because it's my favorite. So I think it's been 60 seconds or more since applying the sunscreen, so hopefully my foundation applies on top, because that's always like a deal breaker for me. I always apply sunscreen as my last step before makeup, and so it's always important for me to have my makeup apply well on top of sunscreen. And not all sunscreens are made equal that way. Some of them do not work well underneath makeup. This one so far seems to be working, so that is a plus. Okay, next up is the Huda Beauty Concealer. Now this is also something that I've been hearing a lot of good things about. So they sent me 3 shades of their new Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. I don't know which one I will be. I'm gonna try Marshmallow first. Here's what the packaging looks like on this. Here's the logo, and then it has the hashtag right there. Ooh. So this is the lightest shade they sent me. It seems like it will work. So here's the applicator. It's like a doe foot. It almost looks like a lip oil applicator. It's very interesting. And here's the shade on the back of my hand. Okay, so this is already available online, but it's gonna be available in stores June 13th. It retails for $29, and it comes in 29 shades. So here's a little pamphlet. It's supposed to be a lightweight formula with insane buildability for custom coverage. It's vegan, fragrance-free, water, sweat, and transfer proof. I'm excited. No creasing, no flashback, instant coverage. Sounds like a good concealer just by reading. So let's try it. They did send me the brush that is launching with it. Or maybe it's already been out, I don't know. This is the Face Conceal and Blend brush, so I will try this with it. Okay, so again, this is the shade 1.3G. So I'm just gonna kind of dot this underneath the eyes. That's probably plenty, I don't really know. And I'm gonna blend this out with the concealer brush that they sent with it. Okay, well, instant coverage for sure. I'm just gonna tap that in with my sponge after using the brush. That looks nice. I have been so set on my NYX concealer for months now, so I'm interested to see if this is a concealer that's good enough for me to use as much as or over my NYX concealer. I think it'll take me a few days to figure that out, but it's applying really well, and I do love how thin the formula is, but you do get insane coverage. But it's not looking heavy or feeling heavy under my eyes, which is really nice. I'm gonna try out a little bit of a deeper shade for my blemishes. This is the shade Nougat, or no, sorry, Cotton Candy, 2.3B. Okay, so I dotted that over my blemishes, and I'm just gonna use my sponge to press that into the skin. Because this is Huda Beauty, I wanted to use the Easy Bake Loose Powder. This is one of my all-time favorite setting powders. And they actually sent me one of these in the bag as well, in the shade Sugar Cookie, but I'm gonna use the shade Cupcake, which is a little bit of a pink tinted powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set the entire face using this. Wow, it looks really beautiful with that concealer. Oh, I really like it. I'm just gonna warm up the skin with my ColourPop Avila Beach bronzer. And then I'm gonna fill in my brows using my Milani pencil. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a quick eye look using the new Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick shade. So they actually did launch new shades. This is just part of the PR box. They actually sent like a custom Jenga set, which was really fun. It looks like all of these are shimmery shades. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is called Sunrise Pink. Ooh, can you see that? So it has like a pink base and then a gold flip to it. That's really pretty. Ooh, okay. Well, I might try that, or Peach Mimosa. Let's swatch that one. Very light still, but has more of a peach base versus the pink. I still feel like I'm into the pink one. I've actually tried both Mica and Moonstone. They're so pretty. I made a TikTok for Bobbi Brown a couple weeks ago and used those. I haven't tried these other shades, so. Ooh, Golden Amber. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, would it be weird to mix these two? The pink and the gold? Well, I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna start off with a darker color. This is the Golden Amber. And I'm gonna do this on like the outer portion of the lid and then take a brush to blend this out. You can also use your fingertips with these, which is nice. I'm just layering until I get the intensity that I want. I'm trying to bring it up toward the brow so it blends really well. And I'm gonna throw that on the outer portion of the lower lash line as well. And just pinch my brush to buff that out. Okay, I really like that. And then I'm gonna fill in the empty space with the shade Sunrise Pink. This just looks so pretty. So I'm gonna take this and really go in on the inner portion of the eye, blending it into that existing color. That's so pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of use that as an inner corner highlight and then drag it on the inner half of that lower lash line. I don't normally do shimmers all over the eye, but honestly, I think it's really pretty. It's kind of fun for summer. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Oh, I really love those two together. It's such a pretty soft sunset sparkly eye. I love all the gold reflex. It's so pretty. I'm going to use mascara now. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise on the top and bottom lashes. I am fully back on the Lash Paradise train. I am loving this all over again. I think that's such a fun, effortless, and chic look that was so easy to do. The thing with eyeshadow sticks, and it really just depends on what I'm layering, but not all eyeshadow sticks last super well on me because of my eye shape. So I'll leave a note for you guys in the description box letting you know how these two colors wore. Like I said, I have worn a couple other shades, and they're more of like a sheer, sparkly, I guess this is kind of similar. But so far they've worked really well for me. So I'll update you in the description box if you want to know how these wore. throughout the night. All right, let's move on to blushes. I think I might be the most excited about this launch from Benefit. Benefit blushes have always been some of my favorites, but they did update a few things. So they added a ton of new shades. I think there's one existing blush shade that still is around. They also made the boxes a little smaller and took out the brush. So now you can buy just one blush brush separately, which I will try today. But these look so pretty. Oh, like Dandelion, that's an existing color. Let me just show you all of them because they're too good. So we're gonna start with the pinks. First we have Krista. This is described as a strawberry pink blush and it does have shimmer in it. So pretty. You can kind of see like the sheen. So there's like the gold shift, and then when I do this, you can see the base color. Shelly is next. This is a warm seashell pink blush with a soft shimmer finish. This packaging is so cute. Look at this one. I think this is so pretty. They smell really good too. Then we have the iconic Dandelion, which I'm glad they kept because this is one of my favorites. I'm kind of sad about some of the other ones not being around anymore, but at least they kept Dandelion. Butterfly, this is described as a golden orange blush with a soft shimmer finish. Pretty packaging. Oh, how pretty is that orange? Wow, I love it. Okay, Sunny is a warm coral blush with a soft shimmer finish. If I can get it out of the box. I think they just really killed the packaging on this. I think it's so cute. This is so pretty. Ooh, I love this color. Okay, well, I might want to use that. I'm gonna set that aside. Peachin is a golden peach blush with a soft shimmer finish. Look how cute. I love the packaging. Here's Peachin. I'll hold it back here so you can kind of see more true to color. This looks like a great everyday peach blush. I'm gonna set that aside too. It's so pretty. So those were the peaches and corals. We've got 3 everyday neutrals. The packaging is so darling. So Willa is a soft neutral rose. This also has a shimmer finish. Do all of them have a shimmer finish? This one is a satin finish. Okay. So not technically shimmer. Java, okay, this has a rosy mocha blush with a natural matte finish, so that answered my question. This one is matte. Look how pretty that one is, and here is the outside. Gorgeous. They also threw in Benefit Hula, which is here to stay. We all know that. It's not technically a blush, it's more of a bronzer. Moving into Rich Berries, we have Pom Pom, which is a pomegranate rose blush with a natural matte finish. So cute. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I like that a lot. Wow. We have Moon, which is a rich berry with a satin finish. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow. Just the packaging. Something about this whole collection is really just tickling me. I'm excited about it. The Terra is a golden brick red with a soft shimmer finish. Beautiful. Wow. So there you have it. Those are all the shades. I pulled the 2 that I was like kind of really giddy over, which was Sunny and Peachy. I will say Shelly also kind of looked cute. I think I'll probably hold off on Peachin because I want like a little more of a pop of color to really see how these perform. So between Shelly and Sunny, honestly, let's wear both. So here is the blush brush that they now sell separately. It's a nice little travel size and it just kind of goes like this, and then you can put the cap on the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with the Sunny first, which is a little bit of a deeper peach. I'm gonna pick that up on the blush brush. There is a bit of fallout. I'm gonna smile and apply that to the higher points of the face. So pretty. I'm obsessed with how the Benefit like box products smell. I think they smell so good. Well, isn't that a lovely peachy color? So that was Sunny. Now we're gonna go in with Shelly, which has a little bit of a pink. Well, yeah, it's a seashell pink blush. And I wanted to use this. Cute. On like the apples of the cheeks. So this blush brush is really nice. I mean, I don't know if I personally would have like needed it because I have so many like brushes, but it's a really nice blush brush, and it's nice that it has that packaging where you can really travel easily with it. So there's the blush. How pretty. I like having that bit of sheen. It's really not anything crazy. It's not something that emphasizes texture. It just looks really healthy. I'm excited about those. Okay, so I've got the Alicia Keys or Keys Soul Care products in front of me. Let's see if I can get this out without breaking my nail. Okay, so I got them. They sent me 2 shades, and I don't know how many shades exactly were launched in the tinted lip balms, but they sent me 2. There's also a eyebrow gel. This is the Soft Stay Brow Tint. So I'll use that at the end of my makeup, but they sent me the shade Inspiration. Here, I'll swatch them, I guess. Pretty. So it's definitely a very sheer tinted lip balm formula. And then this one is Manifestation. How pretty is that? I think this would look really nice with the eye look and cheek situation I have going on right now. So they sent me 2. I know they have a few shades, maybe 5 or 6. Don't quote me on that. I just saw it on Instagram. So I'm gonna wipe off any foundation on the lips. And even with the tinted lip balm, I still like to line my lips. So I'm gonna take Peekaboo Neutral from NYX and just line the edges and then blend it in with my fingertips. And then I am gonna go in with the shade Manifestation, which is a really pretty coral. Ooh, I think that's so pretty. I'm just taking my fingertip to blend. Feels really nice on the lips. It's very much a lip balm formula. It's a little bit of a thicker lip balm formula, which I actually like. But I think that looks so pretty with the coral on the cheeks as well. So I'm not gonna set the face because I am doing like a wear test, which I will update you guys in the description box with the concealer. I did wanna end things though. Well, actually, let me assess the situation really quick first. And I'm just gonna put a little more bronzer on the forehead. What's new? And then I'm gonna take the Keys brow gel and use this to set the brows. I'm interested to see how this works, if it really holds the brows or if it just kind of does. Again, I'll be updating you guys on everything in the description. It's a very thin formula, like it does not feel crunchy, but it seems to be separating my brow hairs nicely. Interesting, okay. I'm so picky with brow gel, so I will definitely keep you guys posted on this. But that's the end result. That's the makeup look using all these new things. Let's just quickly run through everything so I can tell you what I'm most excited about. So the sunscreen, I'm already giddy over. The makeup applied beautifully on top. I loved the formula. It's so lightweight and thin. I don't own something quite like this. I would say it's even more thin and watery and refreshing feeling than the Tatcha sunscreen, which I've also been really into, but super excited about the sunscreen. I think the second thing that I'm the most excited about is the Benefit blushes. I can't wait to dip into all of these. I love the color. Look how like healthy my cheeks look. The shimmer and sheen that they put in these is perfect. It's nothing too over the top or fully glittery. It just looks healthy. Like it looks like I'm glowing from within and I'm already obsessed. So can't wait to try the rest of those colors. I think the concealer looks really nice as well. Of course, I'll keep you guys posted because I'm so obsessed with my NYX one. And I do feel like this is a little bit more of a matte formula compared to the NYX one, but I'll update you guys and let you know how it wears. But I mean, it looks really nice. The Bobbi Brown eyeshadow sticks are so pretty. It was such an easy look to do. Really effortless for summer. Honestly, I feel like I had a lot of wins today. And then the tinted lip balm and then the brow gel. Okay. So it is holding my brows, but it's not crunchy. I'm interested to see how this wears throughout the rest of the day. So again, check the description box for updates on how everything wore, but I think I'm the most excited about the sunscreen and the blush. Even though I feel like it was a successful try on and I really like how my makeup turned out, those two are the things that I feel like I would tell my friends to go buy right now. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these new things lately. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on them. Have you guys tried any of the new Benefit blushes? Are you liking them? What are your favorite shades? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if there's other new things you want to see me try. I actually just barely bought the Mario Soft Sculpt new products, which I will be trying in a video. But let me know if there's something else too that you want to see me try out that's new. I have my eye on the new Anastasia eyeshadow palette. Whenever that comes out, I'm buying it as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing me try some new things that I received in PR that I was personally excited about. And honestly, I'm so happy with my makeup look today. I feel like it's so summery and fresh and I love the more coral undertone. I'm such a cool tone person, so it's kind of nice to switch things up and go a little more coral. I think it's cute and I think it's nice for summer. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for me today. I hope you all have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.